Hey, welcome to another walk with Ma, where I guess you could try to figure out where we are. Yeah, well, it's interesting to try to figure out where I am, but where is Ma? Where did she go? Let's go find her. She took off. I lost my mom. I lost my mom in Horseshoe Bay. Let's go see what we can see, shall we? You guys have to tell me if you see it. Really? Really?
I was gonna do it after the boat thing. I want to take that off and hook it back up.
It's the 360 camera.
I'll do it next round.
Yeah, you can see everywhere all around you. And it, the stick disappears. So it looks like it's flying in the air. Yeah, just like a drone. But cheaper.
Yeah, much cheaper and you have full control.
Exactly.
Oh, I thought you were saying.
Oh yeah. Can you find my mom? Where is she? She's hiding.
How many of them? Something like that. One day. Yeah. So Jason,
Where's my mom? Where is she hiding?
but even something
Okay. So at any time, you can hit pause on the camera and the video and still look around. So let me suggest you try doing that right now. Isn't that neat? How you can just pause it and look around and then start up again? I think I found her. I think I found her. I found her!
Hey,
Oh my goodness.
there you go.
We found the runaway Ma.
I was going to say, she that difficult? Holy
Anyway,
moly.
thank you very much.
Bye, take care. See you guys. Bye, honey. That's a fascinating picture. Enjoyed that,
All right, where to now, Ma? Back to the water or go the other side?
and just go back. I would have loved to buy more from her. I
Right?
couldn't see anything. Her earrings are not what I like.
So if you're in Horseshoe Bay, make sure you go into that little store over there.
Yeah, good look.
Yeah, we could have had Chinese.
Sit outside.
I don't know. Sorry, I don't know what that was. Here's the little doggies. Hi, little guys.
Aren't they cute?
I'm gonna go and say hello. Hello, little guys. Hello. 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 Oh, you're so weird. Have a good day. Probably own them. But if you own it, can you rent it? That's the question.
If I fucking find another.
Right?
Yeah.
So there you go. So that is Horseshoe Bay. We found my mom. She was hiding in that store. So what would you like to do now?
I think I'm ready to go back in the car.
Alright. So I'll just say our goodbyes. Let's go over to the car and say our goodbyes.
Did you show them the ferry and everything?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, goodbye from Horseshoe Bay. See you soon.
So that's Horseshoe Bay, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. We found my ma. She was hiding. And yeah, whenever you're out in BC, come on out here and check out Horseshoe Bay. You will not be disappointed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.